Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add visitor analytics in Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Wix, you might want to click on the sign up option here. And all you're going to do is provide a business or working email. Choose a password, and by clicking on the sign up button, you are all set. Or just simplify the process by clicking on the continue with Google and continue with Facebook. Now, adding a visitor analytics to your Wix website can provide valuable insights to your website traffic and audience behavior. Because I believe a visitor analytics tool provides detailed information about your website, visitors, including demographics, geographic location, and device used. Now, this helps you better understand your audience and tailor your content and marketing efforts accordingly. Now, for us to be able to do that, we need to go to our main dashboard, right? Now, because what we need to do is to have an analytics tool that tracks key metrics such as number of visitors, page views, and sessions. Now, this information will give us a clear picture of our websites or your website's overall traffic and helps identify trends over time. And basically, an analytics tool will allow you to track user pair behavior on your website, including which pages they visit or how long they stay and which links they click. Now, for us to be able to do that, go to the left side panel of your dashboard, click on the app market. You can also go to the custom apps, but for now, let's just go here. And from the search bar, you can choose professional solutions to power your website, which is gonna be a visitor analytics tool. Now, what we need to do is type in visitor analytics and just hit enter. And from here, you have a lot of options, basically. But make sure that if you're looking for the free plan available, it's prompted here at the lower left panel. And some are for the premium plans, so you might want to be aware of that. I am going to use Tripla because I am using this right now because it offers a web stats, behavior analytics, and communication. Now, when you click on it, you have 4 sections here. Right? So it can analyze website traffic stats, visitors, conversion, session duration, page visits, referrals, click path, devices, bounce rates, and a lot more. Now, when you click on the add to site option here, a new pop-up window will appear, and as you can see, adding Tripla Visitor Analytics will allow you to read your email address, manage embedded scripts, and read basic site and business info. If you agree on that, just click on agree and add. Now just wait for a little bit, and once it's successfully installed, just go to your dashboard because it had been already added. Now when you click on it, you can simply go to your dashboard or click on open. Now, once we are here in our dashboard, basically, if you're running a marketing campaigns or promotions or something like a subscriber information analytics can help you measure their effectiveness by tracking traffic sources, referral sources, and conversion rates. Now, this information allows you to optimize your marketing efforts and allocate resources more effectively. Now, after selecting a plan, you need to have an option to upgrade your app today. You can select the Advanced, which is $14, or the Pro, which is for $24 a month. Now, another option that I have in mind is Twig Analytics, because I'm also using this one. You can click on the add to site, and from here you can collect leads. Here, you also have an option to analyze traffic, but basically, now, when you click the website for Tripla, if you wanted to know more about this specific third-party platform, now from here, say for example, if you are selling products or services on Wix website, Tripla has an option for the analytics that will provide you valuable insights into e-commerce metrics such as sales, revenues, or average order value and conversion rates. Now, I believe this information helps you optimize your e-commerce strategy and drive more sale. And obviously, the analytics empowers you to make great data-driven decisions about your website and marketing strategy. And by understanding your audience, tracking performance metrics, and measuring the impact of your efforts, you can make informed decisions to grow your online presence and achieve your goals. And as you can see, if you look at the our pricing right here, we have that free for the Wix website. But if you wanted to go beyond that and go for the advanced, which is $24 a month, you have all these keys and benefits that you can take advantage: a custom event tracking, a visitor session recordings, heat maps, conversion funnels, polls, surveys, company reveal, a custom country data, and you can create visitor segments. So I believe Tripla is one of the best visitor analytics for your Wix website. Now, as you can see, when you click on the features, you have the event tracking, session recording, heat maps, and conversion funnels. But of course, we go to the visitors, because from here, you have the granular website statistics about users, action, visitors, insights to increase engagement, and of course, you can try it for 30 days. Now, you can turn users into powerful insights, and so much things that you can do within your Wix website. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions so you can set up Tripla successfully, and you are all set. And from here, just open the dashboard. And once you are here, as you can see, the analytics tool tracks key metrics such as the number of your visitors, page views and sessions, and this information will give you a clear picture of your website's overall traffic and help identify trends over time. And it will allow you to see how long they stay, which link they click, and that identifies you the popular content as well as areas for improvement on optimization. Now, when you click on the create new dashboard right here, it's only available on the upgraded plan. Now, you have the web statistics overview. You have again the visitor behavior, communication, and privacy center. You can also tweak the setting to your liking. Say, for example, if you click on the module settings, you have an access to the auto tracked default events, right? You have a general event tracking settings. When you click an option right here, now you can define default events for auto tracking. And once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on save, right? And again, you only are limited for the monthly page views of 400 to 400. And say, because it is only available for the free plan, you have like two of the recordings left, heat maps, and a lot. So if you wanted to scale up, just upgrade to the advanced plan. And from here, you also have the option for the visitor communication. You click on polls and surveys, and when you hover to the competition or devices, because in terms of the devices, say for example you're selling products and services on your Wix website. Now, these devices overview can provide valuable insights into e-commerce metrics such as sales, revenue, or average order value and conversion rates. Now again, this information helps you optimize your e-commerce strategy and drive more sales. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.